The new YouTube channel for day 183. This was the first day of March 2023, a Wednesday. So on this day I did exercise, and then I worked on books. I did insurance business, a little bit of Remote Wellness Academy, and then worked on my new book. I don't have a title for the book, but I know it's related to my Remote Wellness Academy practice, and it's going to be something that I provide to everyone that I meet, whether they take advantage of my coaching or not. And it's also a book I'm also going to sell. I plan to sell, but I'm going to give it as a offering to let people enjoy the book and and have that. So just for meeting with me, they would get the free book. And the book is not going to be like a throwaway thing. It's actual really good content. So I know not everybody can afford to do coaching, but I will have something for everyone that I come in contact with. That's my goal. And of course, if you can pay for the coaching, we're gonna have one-on-one coaching. We're gonna have some group coaching, and then for people who don't have the funds to do either of those two, they will have the opportunity to get my book. So, I'll even have like a free version of the book, like a summary of that. So everyone will get something. So that's my plan with that. The Grateful today, there's a course that I'm taking on writing. Actually, I bought this course like 2 years ago. So I remember doing it because I had the idea to work on my book. And I still have access to that course, even though I purchased it like 2 years ago. And I'm very grateful for the author, Stephen James, I believe his name is the one who authored that course. I'm grateful for that. It's very good content. I signed up for a lot of stuff and I don't complete it. I'm working on that issue. That's something that I'm personally working on. And I'm very grateful for the people at that course, and the name escapes me right now to think of the name of the course, but it has to deal with Kindle writing and book writing, and I'm really grateful for it. It's very good content. So that's it for day 183. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.